Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about a job that pays $100,000 to $200,000 salary and only requires 1 month of training. I'm sure you guys are thinking, this is too good to be true. Oh well, it is not. I want you to go on job search websites and search for Salesforce Business Analyst, and you will see with your own eyes how much money a Salesforce Business Analyst makes. The good thing is, you don't need to know any coding to become a Salesforce Business Analyst. And the best part is, you only need 1 month of training to become a Salesforce Business Analyst and start applying for these jobs. The only requirement is to have a bachelor's degree. With 3.3 million new Salesforce jobs expected by next 2 years, Salesforce has created an incredible industry which not only encourages innovation, but is powering job growth across the globe. So there has never been a better time to become a Salesforce Business Analyst. Now let's talk about the salaries of a Salesforce Business Analyst based on his seniority level. 1. Junior level. At this level, you have 1 to 2 years of experience as a business analyst. You are in a supporting role and executing tasks delegated by others. You're not independent yet, but learning and growing. The average base pay, inclusive of bonuses and overtime, is $102,457 yearly. Number 2. Mid-level. You've gained vast experience, acquired various certifications, you are in charge of developing user stories and the expected flow process to support the problem-solving design and facilitate requirements, gathering meetings, and leading projects. Ensure that the user requirements are captured and documented. The average pay for this position is $117,992 yearly. Number 3. Senior level. You are already an expert as a business analyst using Salesforce and lead multifaceted projects with integrations. You're required to quickly comprehend the challenges of a client's business and be able to identify the strengths and weaknesses of an organization and make recommendations on areas to improve. The average salary for a senior level is $130,005 yearly. And according to the Salesforce data findings, there is an annual growth rate of 24.2% experienced by a business analyst. Depending on the company or organization, you will find that some of them hired on a contract basis became freelancers. For this category, their average hourly rate ranges from $66 to $140. According to the report, 44% of the respondents indicated that their pay increased after becoming Salesforce certified. Here is an extract from Mason Frank International.
You can see the average salary of Salesforce professionals in the United States compared to the UK.
If you are looking to becoming a Salesforce Business Analyst, you should sign up for our tutorial by clicking on the link in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.